So here's how you find a product to promote and build a sales funnel step by step. Now this video is only for demonstration purposes. So you can come to this website right here, clickbank.com. This is a website where you can find a bunch of products to promote as an affiliate. Or you can come to Digistore24 and it's pretty much the same thing. Now if you don't have an account, all you got to do is click on start here and create one. It's pretty straightforward. Then on ClickBank, you're going to come to Marketplace and you're going to find a niche that you want to focus on. You can also click on all and it'll show you all the different categories that you can promote products from. So I'm going to click on health and fitness because that's a pretty popular one, and I'm also going to click on diets and weight loss. And now it's going to show me a bunch of different products that fall under this category. And on the right hand side, it's going to show you how much the average dollar is per conversion. So what this means is the average dollar amount that somebody spends when they purchase this product. So what a lot of people typically do is they'll go for the product that is going to pay them the most money as an affiliate. But I would recommend to focus on a product that is selling the most, and you're going to find this out by looking at the gravity score. Now you can actually filter out the gravity score by clicking on this little drop down menu and clicking on gravity from high to low. So when it comes to gravity score, the higher the number, the better. So I'm going to check out this product right here, the smoothie diet. So let me click on it and it's going to take me to the sales page. So this is what the sales page looks like, and it has a little sales video that people can watch. And as I scroll down, it has more information about what this product can do, and it gives people the option to purchase it. Now, if I wanted to purchase this product as an affiliate, all I would have to do is click on this button that says promote. So now this window is going to pop up, and all I have to do is click on create hop link. Now this is going to be my affiliate link. So this is something that I'm going to copy and paste in my notes, and I'm going to save this for later. Okay, so this is where we're going to build our funnel to promote this product. Now, when it comes to funnel builders, there's plenty of options out there. Some are free, but you do get what you pay for, while others you have to pay a monthly charge for, but they are more reliable. So I'm going to build a quick, simple funnel for this product with the funnel builder that I'm using. So if you're using a different sales funnel builder, the steps might be a little bit different. So here's the software that I'm using. It's called the Go Systems, and you can use it for a lot more than just building funnels. So the first thing I'm going to do is go over to Sites, and then I'm going to go over to where it says New Funnel. So I can either create one from scratch, or I can choose from the different templates that they already have. So I'll just make this pretty simple and choose from a template. Continue. So this is the sales page for the product that I'm creating a funnel for. So when you're building a funnel, you want to have congruency with the colors and the words. So I'm going to choose from this template because it looks pretty similar to the sales page. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. So now we have our template and we just need to customize it. So the first thing to do is make this top banner the same color as this one. So after making a few changes, it's starting to look like the sales page. So now what I'm going to do is copy this headline from the sales page onto the funnel. So just highlight that, click on copy. Now I'm going to come back to the funnel and highlight this text right here and just copy the headline from the sales page onto the funnel. So this text is a little bit too big, so let me adjust it. So let me go over to the side right here and just bring down the font size just a little bit. So now it's a little bit smaller. So I'm going to delete this text that says logo here by clicking on the delete icon, and now it's gone. Now this part you can customize it to the specific product that you're promoting, but I'm just going to leave it for this example. Now this button right here is where you're going to want to make sure you're collecting people's information. Now right here under button actions, this is where you can change the settings for your button. When people click on this button, there's all these different options that this button can do. If you want to collect their information, you're going to want to set this to open pop-up. So now I'm going to click on pop-up settings, and this is where you're going to customize your pop-up. So this is what the pop-up would look like, and when people click on this button, this is where you're going to direct them to the affiliate link. Now all you got to do is change the setting for the button to go to website URL. So remember, we got our affiliate link from ClickBank for that specific product. Now we're going to copy it and paste it into our funnel. So when somebody clicks on that button after they enter in their information, they're going to go to that specific link, which is going to be our affiliate link. And now the only thing left to do is save and publish. So this is what the sales funnel looks like, and if I click on the button, it's going to show this pop-up. And if I enter in my name and the information and click on the button, it's going to bring me to the affiliate link for this specific product. So that's how you find a product to promote and build a sales funnel step by step. But learning how to market that product is entirely different. You have to understand what problem that product is solving. And also, who is your target audience that would benefit from buying this product. And just because this is a weight loss product, going around on social media telling fat people to buy this product is not going to work. Now, I can go on and on about different strategies to market this product or any other product, but this video would be hours long. But if you do want to learn how to market any product or service, then you have to check out this 5-day live business builder challenge starting on February 18th at 11 a.m. Eastern Time. Not only will it show you how to build an automated system step by step in more detail, but you'll also learn the simple strategies that'll fill your pipeline with leads and convert them into buyers. So if you want to register for this live 5-day challenge, you can head over to my profile, or if you have any questions, drop them in the comments.